What's that? What the heck? Extra protection for both of our sake.
We aren't even violent. Look at us. We're just two cute little girls.
Never be too sure.
The ring goes in the front, and it goes a little tighter.
Turn. Turn again. Face me. All right. Get in. Oh. It's dark in here. And it's cold. Don't we get like a phone call or like we can talk to our lawyers or something?
You can wait.
All right, you're next.
Okay.
Stand up. Face the wall. You wouldn't struggle it when it hurts so much. All right, same process here.
Okay.
Strip down everything, put your pan, put them in the bin. Oh, there we go. That's what we were looking for. Thank you. I'll take that.
Oh my god.
Hands out.
Oh, yeah.
Get earrings, earrings. Thank you.
Oh. Come on, you already got some of the money. Why can't you just let us go?
Yeah.
I'm not keeping that money.
Money.
I'm not a nasty little robber like you two. Gonna make me check these too, huh?
I don't have anything.
No? Turn around. All right, right this way. Sit down. All right, we're gonna have you do your prints on this next page, all right?
Handcuff?
Yes, handcuffed. One at a time. There you go. There you go. Thank you. Left hand. Please don't be so aggressive with my pad. Reprint your ring finger. Thank you. Right. Thank you. All right, stand up. Back in front of the board. And face me.
Officer, you didn't tighten Daisy's cuffs enough.
What?
They're fine.
We listen to the warden in here. Bring me your hands now.
Her right cuff isn't tight up enough.
Bring
She could
me
flip
your
out.
hands now. Don't make me come in there. How's that?
They're tight.
Well, she
You
did
sure?
extra tight.
They're very tight. I'm barely turning them.
You shouldn't be able to turn them. You have no reason to.
Okay.
All right. Here's your jumpsuit.
How come hers looks newer than mine?
It's not.
Oh my god. All right, I'm done.
Hands out. Thank you. All right, go ahead and join your friends.
I want to get out of here. I can't believe she took the money that you
No. She's probably gonna keep it for herself.
You ladies gonna sit here until you're ready to see the judge. We already have the proof that we need from your stupidity. So maybe this will teach you to stop robbing delivery drivers. All right? Sit tight.
Yeah, that was pretty stupid of us.
I know. Didn't think they would track her phone.
I mean, I guess they track everything.
That's fucking
Everything
crazy.
online.
It's so crazy.
Well, you live and you learn, I guess.
It's our time here.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to learn. Hopefully we can call someone. We haven't had a chance to call nobody.
I know, we definitely know someone that can get us out of this.
Yes. Hopefully soon. Can you try to get out?
That looks like you can. Oh, it hurts sometimes.
That looks stupid. I think if my hand sweats a little bit more, I